Okay. It's from page 449 to 450. Today's this YouTube. Okay.
Do what?
I'm recording. Okay, so you can pick any two numbers. It looks like all of them done look good, so I'll just take the first two. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Okay? You can pick any other number to see if you get the same answer. We should get the same because when you graph this, it is a straight line. Alright, so find slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is, y2 is negative 12 minus a negative 9. Notice, minus a negative 9. It's a minus, then this number is a negative, over x2, which is 12 minus 8. That gives us negative 12 plus 9 over the 4 there. M equals to negative 3 over 4, which is slope. So I'm going to choose 12, 12, or 8. Let's choose 8, negative 9. Okay, so if my slope is negative 3 over 4, and I'm going to choose the first one here, 8 and negative 9. To find, what's the objective here? I forgot. The y-intercept. Okay, find the y-intercept. So y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. Okay, so y minus y1, which is that negative 9, right here, equals to slope, which is negative 3 over 4, parentheses x minus 8. Gives us y plus 9 equals to distribute this to that, that's a negative 3 over 4, x, distribute that, okay, the two negative makes a plus, now 3 over 4 times 8, cross cancel, 1 and 2, that leaves you 6, okay, minus 9 to both sides. Y is equal to negative 3 over 4 x minus 3. So your y-intercept is negative 3. Okay, so it's 0, negative 3. Okay, next one. They're all bad, so you choose these two numbers. So x1, y1, x2, y2, okay? M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals 35 minus 53 over x2, 9 minus 6. M equals, that gives me 28, no, 18. 18 plus 35 is 53 negative, because the bigger number is negative, over 3, so m is negative 6. Okay, so if m is negative 6, all the points don't look good. Let's choose the first one, it's just as good. 6 and 35. Oops. Okay. So, I'm going to do y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. It's point slope formula. Y minus 35 equals negative 6 parentheses x minus 6. Okay, it gives you negative 6x plus 36 equals y minus 35, add 35, add 35, y equals negative 6x plus 71. Okay, slope, point slope, slope intercept. Slope intercepts, find the y-intercept of 0 is 71, right here. Okay, number 12. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Okay. Find slope. M equals negative y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals negative 4. 145 minus a negative right there, 95. That all over, not too long, just right here. 15 minus 10. Okay, that gives you y, not y, m equals negative 145 plus 95 over 5. M equals 50, negative because the negative is bigger, over 5, so your slope is negative 10. Okay, I'm just going to choose the first number because all of them looks evil. So they're huge numbers. M equals negative 10, and I'm choosing the first one, which is 10, negative 95. Remember, finding slope is very important. Okay. Y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus 1. Y minus y1, which is 10. Oh no, that's x. Remember this, these are x and y. Y minus negative 95 equals negative 10 parentheses x minus 10. So y plus 95 equals negative 10x plus 100. Okay, distribute that. Distribute a negative and a negative. You get a positive. Be careful with that. Minus 95, minus 95. Get 5 here, get 0 there. Y equals negative 10x plus 5. Your y-intercept is plus 5, so 0, 5. Okay, that's done on page 449, 450. finding the y-intercept. This one all of you should know. Writing the intercept as a coordinate pair. Okay? So we need to determine the y-intercept and write the coordinate as a ordered write the y-intercept as a coordinate pair. Okay, here's the blue one. Example, look. They make the x equal to 0 because you're finding y only. Okay, so x is 0 and it's like this doesn't exist. Okay, when you're finding y, x don't exist, and you just do 7y equals to 63. 7y equals to 63. You just divide both sides by 7. You get the answer of 9. This is easy one, okay? So your intercept is 0, 9. 14. X is 0. It's like x don't exist. Negative y 4 equals to 120. You divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. Y equals to negative 30. Y-intercept is 0, negative 30. Y-intercept means when it crosses the y-axis. Okay, number 15. Okay, x is 0 right here. Like x don't exist because the 0 minus 8y is still a negative 8y. Divide by negative 8y. We'll shorten it to save me time. Y equals to 6, positive. So 0, 6 is your y-intercept. Next one, at y-intercept, it's like x equals to 0. 0, x don't exist. You got positive 15y, divide by 15. Okay, let's use a calculator. Probably it's 7. Yeah, 7. Oh no, not the internet. One 5 divided by 15. 7. Oh gosh, my brain is fast. Then I can open a calculator. Okay. So your y-intercept is 0, 7. Last two problems. Remember, this is like x equals to 0. And negative 16 times 0 is 0. Therefore, 0 plus 23y is 23y. Therefore, it's like the other thing doesn't exist. Okay. And you give you y equals, oh, I need my calculator now. Oh, I can't okay, looks like 11, but 253 divided by 23 equals 11. Oh, what do you know? 0, 11. This is not the answer. I need to erase that. This is the answer that they want, because that answers the question. What did I do the other one? That answered the question. These are your answer. Okay, last one. Same thing. So easy. Y-intercept x is 0. 0 times 19 is 0, like it doesn't exist. So 17, that's 3. Y equals to negative 3. A negative and a positive is a negative. 0, negative 3. That is your y-intercept.